Hi, I'm Sandy Kendall, and I am going to show you how to install the Screencastify extension in your Chrome browser and log in with your GISD account so you can get the full functionality for the program. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store, and sometimes there's a little link to it here on your Google homepage, but I always find that just Googling Chrome Web Store works. So when I start typing it, there it is in my search options. And when I go to it, it's usually the first link on the Google page. And once the web store opens, I'm going to search for Screencastify and click on it. And it will usually come up first. It is this orange rectangle with Screencastify on it. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to click Add to Chrome. It will ask me for permission, so I'll click Add Extension. The extension's downloading here in the bottom left corner of the screen. And when it's finished, you will see it up here at the top right. Now, notice when I clicked out of that little notification, the icon went away. What I need to do is click on this puzzle piece. This is my extensions manager, and come down here next to Screencastify and pin it so that it is always showing up on my toolbar up here in my extensions bar. Trust me, you'll want it there once you start using it. Now I just need to launch it and get logged into it for the first time. So I'm going to click on the extension. And since this is my very first time to launch it, it is opening an authorization tab. When the tab opens, it's going to ask me to sign in with Google, so I'll do that. And I need to pick my Georgetown ISD Google account. Students and staff can both use Screencastify, so I'm going to click this. It's letting me know that it's going to see, edit, create, delete Google Drive files I use with the app, so I need to go ahead and tell it allow. Need to agree to their terms. I can decide whether or not I want emails about new features and updates. I actually do find these helpful, so I'm going to go ahead and check that. And now it wants to know what I am. So since I'm logged in with a student account, I could click student, but I'm going to show you some teacher features. So I'm going to click teacher here. Asks me a little bit more about myself and finish. Now it's going to invite me to enable my mic and webcam, which is a great thing to go ahead and do right from the start. So now on the top left, I'm going to click allow. And it wants permission to use the annotation tools when recording, and I'm going to want to make use of those. I'm going to click enable tools and again allow. And now it tells me I'm all set. I can close this page and start recording. So when I close out, Screencastify is going to be ready to go, and we'll have further tutorials available to show you how to make the most use of Screencastify.